Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I have some kiwi and some fresh ginger left over, and I decided to make something really nice and lovely smoothie, lovely drink, which I know you guys will definitely love this one. So anyway, if you like it, please leave a comments in the description box, and also subscribe and click on the bell. Get the notification before anyone else in this world gets it, because you're at the top of the line, guys. Anyway, the link will be in the description box where you can click on the link and go and watch my video. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again, guys, with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Anyway, I have some fresh kiwi, which I want to make a kiwi drink today with some ginger and lemon. You know, a long time to do something like this. Alright, so first of all, I got a piece of a ginger which I'm already peel off. I'm gonna cut it up inside of my smoothie blender like this. Right over here, I have some kiwi which I brought from the supermarket. I love kiwi, and kiwi is very good for you. I'm just gonna simply remove the skin from the kiwi like this. And honestly, guys, if you never make kiwi drink at home, you can give it a try. But one thing with kiwi, it's a little bit itchy at your throat. Sometimes some people doesn't like it, but me personally, I love kiwi, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna just cut up some kiwi and put it inside of my ninja blender like this. Alright, but as I said, if you never tried kiwi before, don't get me wrong, give it a try and give it a go. Alright, guys, exactly that's what I'm doing right now at the moment. So we've done 2 kiwi so far. You know, as I say, if you guys, no, this one can't work. That one is a little bit soft, guys, honestly. But like when my kiwi them ripe and feel nice. You know, look at this. And when I was brought in this one at the shop, I said to myself, you know, I just want them to be really nice. But this one is beautiful. Let's cut up this one inside of it. I'm telling you, if you ever never try kiwi, this one is nice. I like this one. Feel the juice from this one. Ah, my mouth is running water. Nice and lovely. That's what I'm talking about. Just leave this one right there for decoration. You know what I mean? With Chef Ricardo in the kitchen, you know what happened already. A lot of things have been happening. You don't have to, but me personally, just use my natural honey. Yeah, that's my natural honey from the supermarket. I brought this one is no, this is not from the supermarket. This was a 100% honey. I'm gonna squeeze some lime in it. Roughly about a tablespoon of lemon juice. So I like it. Natural, easy and simple. You know what happened? I'm just gonna put an apple inside of it, because the apple going to help it to take away some of the, you know. I got some apple right here. I'm just gonna put one of them inside of it. So this is some red apple. I just cut up and put it straight inside of it like that. Alright, guys, we all know red apple. All I have to do is remove the skin from the apple and put it inside of it. I got some baby apple. Nice. Alright, let's put some water inside of it. Not too much water. Roughly about half cups of water. That's perfect. And then shake him up. And I give him a blend for about 3 to 4 seconds. That is perfect. perfect. I love this blender. Honestly, it's one of the best ever. I have the big one, but honestly, this one, look at that. It's just amazing to use in the kitchen. Look at that. Perfect. Anyway, guys, my name is Chef Ricardo. I don't want to show off and boast it, but honestly, God in heaven knows the best. Look at that. Fantastic, guys. The looks, everything is just amazing. I can't believe. Anyway, thank you for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And one thing, don't forget to subscribe and click in the bell. It's very important, guys. Clicking the bell. Clicking the bell is very important. Alright? Kiwi in the kitchen. The juice to drink is amazing. No, I'm not showing off. And I'm not bossing. But look at this. Proper smoothie. Everything just blend out so perfect where, oh man, it's amazing. Taste the texture, everything is perfect. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus to get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo, and we always give you the best recipe.